Yo, what's up, guys? We are Chopped Anime, three of the almighty Chopped Anime. We're back to chop up another anime with you. Demon Slayer. Sorry, goodness gracious. Demon Slayer, episode 4. But before we do that, please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all the support. Now, on to the reaction. This joint ugly, bro.
Yeah, this thing is whack.
Bruh, you seen these two upper moons that attack? They're both ugly.
Oh, the vase.
Yeah, the balls.
Why did they do this?
That makes
Yeah, this is bothersome to look at. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah, like especially when they did that little bubble up. Oh man, that gets to me.
Mhm.
You know, Muchiro's still analyzing the.
Shouldn't all of them have like a move that does like some type of slice and dice, like chop them up like into little bits?
So this vase didn't have Upper Moon 5 in it, unlike the other vase.
The vase had that on there.
Yeah, the other vase had
Yeah,
Upper Moon
remember
5 come out.
Then that
the
dummy
first
still went to the vase.
But
Oh,
this
you
dude
mean
doesn't
in
know.
but
the
these
This
guys
dude
don't
doesn't
vase?
know
know.
about it though.
Oh, okay.
Remember?
I
Because
thought
he
you were
was in
saying
the
that.
hot springs. Yeah.
I got it.
Bro, this dude does not have time for this. He needs to go back to Tanjiro right now.
That's a good point. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't even know why he's walking away. He should be running at full speed.
Bruh.
This
I'd be like,
guy,
bruh,
this
I
has
gotta
nothing to
go.
do with an upper moon,
Yeah,
bro.
this is crazy that he spent even time entertaining this, bro.
Like the severity, like he doesn't know that there's actually two upper moons. He just knows that there's one.
Regardless, that's still a problem, bro.
That is a problem. That's why he should be sprinting full speed towards
Yeah.
that.
I think for now, just focus on living with nothing for sure. Dang, who got murdered like this?
That's
Nah,
Mushiro.
that's
That's
Muichiro.
Muchiro?
Yeah.
Oh, who he fight? Goodness gracious.
Oh, so he lost his memories.
My boy been fighting since he was 10.
Dang.
I mean, he can't have that many memories. He's just a little kid.
That's crazy,
So...
man. You being petty like that?
Oh, so that's why he probably looks like that because sometimes he hears things that might trigger his memories or something.
That's why he don't know none of the sun breathing no more. Yeah. He lost all the memories.
Mm. Oh, it probably was passed down to him and he forgot it. Dang.
Yeah.
Bruh, it's been 300 years. But we did see inherited memories, so
Yeah, he probably forgot all those inherited memories.
Oh, so yeah, that's how Tanjiro is gonna pick him up from the inherited. That
Ooh.
was swift. That was swift.
Woo. He
bruh,
panicked.
Tanjiro got battle sense, bruh. Like,
Yeah, man.
ew.
Oh, you can have two. Oh, golly, bro.
It's weak.
Anger. joy, sadness, or
Mm.
sorrow and pleasure. Okay.
So there's 4 of them.
Yeah. How many emotions? Like, is it 6, 7?
Well, there's probably so many emotions. Or I guess
Nah, like
maybe
the base or whatever. Like core emotions.
sorrow, joy, pleasure. And what's the other one?
Anger.
Oh, okay. That does pretty much cover it.
Really?
I think so. I think those four would pretty much need to get back to Nezuko again.
He's discovering the weaknesses.
What are you doing, Tanjiro?
So I gotta take this one to the chest so I can analyze.
He's doing pretty well for a 4. What would be, I guess, a fourth of Upper Moon 4.
Yeah. But remember,
he
they
catching the
said
business.
he like each clone got younger and stronger, right? So like he's got to be one of the stronger ones because he was like a second clone.
Oh, what?
That was savage.
Kind of hocus
was
pocus
savage.
was that?
That was young Tanjiro, bro.
What did he do?
Getting icy with it. Look at him. Chop soy out here. They really made him look like a bird.
No, but that was savage. I think he said something like, "I like how you bleed" or something like that, and then Tanjiro was like, "You too."
It's time to sun breathe, baby. Let's sun breathe out here.
It takes a lot of toll on his body.
This is a dire situation.
And there's still 3 more of these dudes.
Oh my gosh. This boy is garbage, bro. Get him out of here. Keep trying, little girl. You don't want that.
This guy's my favorite. The anger dude.
Dang, man. What's got you so angry, boy?
I like his design.
I like Buddy in a tracksuit.
Which was that one?
This guy right here.
This guy. I knew he was a demon, bro. Yep.
Oh, he still got it on him, bro. He still got it on him.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Hey, bro, I ain't never seen him reload. I swear they only take 2 shots.
Yeah.
You just keep getting new guns, bro.
All they really need to do is get 4 of those guns and shoot all 4 at the same time. You see how quick that took the head off?
Oh my gosh, bro.
They need to learn from this
Yo,
guy.
but did you see that? Did you guys see that?
That he's not dead?
Yeah, but like, did you see the wound close up?
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't see that.
That's not
Bro,
good.
look at the purple. Go back. Run it back. Run it back. So purple.
Purple and white. I don't
Nah,
know.
you're right. You're right. There, you're right. You're right.
Yeah. It's this guy. It's this guy. Yeah,
But
this
he stopped
dude's still
bleeding.
bleeding.
He's definitely like living though, and he should not
Stop
be.
bleeding though.
He's bleeding a lot.
But you know that even if I don't think he at that level to be able to stop his bleeding like by breathing. You know how them other
Oh
dudes.
yeah, when Uzui did that.
Yeah.
He could
This-
actually. He could. I wouldn't be surprised if he's on that level.
I would.
That might be what it is. That's actually a good idea. That might be what it is.
Nah, he's definitely a demon.
I can't explain the tooth though, so it could be. These dudes really taking their time. He chanting curses.
Hold on. Hold dice.
Oh, so they know the religion. He's chanting ancient phrases.
Hold dice.
That staff is OP, bro. You just gotta slam it to the ground, bro.
Yeah, that's my there we go.
Yeah, yeah.
He still had bullet. You saw that he still had another bullet in his gun.
Hey, Nezuko, put hands on this boy, bro.
Dang.
Ooh, a big toe.
It's nothing for Nezuko. She'll heal that up real quick. I remember during her fight with Daki, she was recovering real quick.
Yeah, she gotta go full Akaza mode, bro. Stop playing. Yeah, stop
Yeah.
boy.
Right back at you, my boy.
In the ankle socks.
Knocked your head off.
Dang. Oh, and she threw. That was smart. She threw her blood on him and used the blood demon. That is the weakness though. Her bloody demon art is extreme, and she used the weapon against him.
Yeah.
I say she keep that weapon.
She using it with his arm. That's kind of tough.
Yo, it's kind of funny how this dude got flip flops on too.
His toes look crazy. Yo.
Where's everybody else at?
That's a good point. Evacuate, sir.
Yeah, that's true. They should be.
Yo, swordsmiths can't fight, so it's got to be the Hashiras.
Oh, and this dude stays chanting curses.
This dude is wild. That stance is hard right there, bro. I should have made that.
What is going on with that guy, bro? I'm still actually confused.
He's the honey badger. You don't care, bro. Run around with the flammers out.
Honestly, I don't know why he even has that sword. He should just be strapped like John Wick.
Yeah,
just have a bunch of guns on him. Bullets for days.
Bruh.
I mean, you clearly don't need the sword to take their heads off.
That was not the time period, man.
Bruh, he got one. He can
that
get
dude
two.
can definitely be like John Wick.
He definitely practiced with the gun more than the sword. So
yeah, you'll get a more background on the.
I can make it. What is he doing? Oh, is he directing him now with the
phone? Yeah. Remember he said he gotta get to the.
Bruh.
That's smart, bro.
Tanjiro is a battle genius.
Yeah.
The fact that he came up with this idea right there on the spot. Not only is this dude mad strong, he's a battle genius.
I know, dude. He's a general out here, dude.
Right.
Moving pieces.
That's a funny place to pause.
Somebody walks in. What are you watching?
The dude just left his staff in her.
You don't mess with his sister, bro. He got two of them things?
He got enough.
See, another smart move.
There is no way he thought about that. That's crazy.
Yeah,
bro.
Look at this. Look at this. Bro, we know
Dang.
Tanjiro been doing this, bro. Think about the first season when he did the act.
How do you even know that? How do you know to do that? Yeah, Tanjiro's a genius.
Bro, he's definitely diagnosing this too good. This is kind of
He's Hashira level when it comes to thinking, bro. Muichiro couldn't break it down.
Oh, and he's gonna touch the staff using the foot too to
Oh,
pull it out,
this
so he
boy
doesn't
is
get
smart.
affected.
Yeah.
Dang, bro. The
He
general.
thought of it. He's thought of it all.
Ah.
I'm surprised that didn't go through him.
Let's go,
Oh,
Nezuko.
that's why. Dang.
Strong.
Little assist.
Yo, he is always analyzing though.
Who was this guy? What the?
Oh, the wind dude is back.
Nah. Gravity. Oh, gravity.
Dang, went through the floor.
Yeah, I could feel the pressure from the
You know how much that would have to hurt for you to go to through a whole floor, bro? The Miss Hashira is still freaking thinking about his memories, man.
Yeah, the Miss Hashira would have been back by now. Oh, so they're out.
Let's go.
Oh, dang. They got a lot of those.
Oh.
I'm really mad they got a bunch of goldfishes.
Please tell me Muchiro is going there.
Hey, this is what happens when you flush a goldfish down the toilet.
Come back for revenge.
Yeah.
With 32-inch biceps.
Yeah, so they all got those vases on them. So we don't know which vase has the upper 5.
This is unfair.
He said protect the village. How? They can't fight.
Chop the vase off.
Can't believe they don't got traps set.
That's the love. Yeah, there we go. Let's go. We get some love Hashira in here.
Bruh, I'm telling you, it's crazy. We're getting Hashira action after Hashira action, like beginning of the season. Love it.
And these crows come in handy.
Yeah.
Radio, surveillance. Man, I'm telling you. Demon Slayer just don't miss. Again, another episode. Fire felt like 5 minutes, but
I know, right? These episodes legit feel like 5 minutes every time. Dang. Whew.
So this episode clearly showed us that Tanjiro is a genius. When it comes to fighting, you know, you can't. He's definitely got the battle prowess. He just needs to get stronger. Once he masters sun breathing, he's outsmarting all of them. Definitely all of them.
I mean, I don't think he outsmarting upper 1, but yeah, he's outsmarting all of them.
That's true. upper 1 might be a different level for sure. But I don't think upper 1 hasn't had a challenge though. Out of all these years, I mean, he's probably acquired a lot of knowledge over time. But don't you think upper 1's probably rusty? Who's he gonna fight?
That's your big plan? Imagine you being at the Demon Slayer like corpse and you like, look, we can take up a 1. He's out of practice.
He could be. He could be.
Sir, killing humans for 200 years.
That's true. He's probably been killing a lot of Hashira.
I'm sure he's fine.
That's the thing. So Upper Moon 6, we found out how many Hashira both both of them killed, right?
Yeah.
The brother and sister. I think Daki killed like 7,
Yeah.
and the other one killed like 11 or something like that. Crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They've killed a lot of Hashers, right? Like, think about all them graves.
Right.
Like that,
Oh yeah.
was shown in the movie. That's
Right.
been shown like so many times, right? Like even I think beginning of the season, like they showed the master, I think, walking through.
Right.
But yeah, it's
So
been
that means
like
upper ones probably killed so many.
He probably hasn't. They probably don't bring him out. He probably don't even waste his time, bro. Like,
Well, we know people like Akaza. He just goes straight up. He just finds Hashira just like he found Rengoku, and he just tries to like throw hands on him. Right? It was just random. Like he came out of nowhere.
he
Right?
came out the
Like
bushes.
Rengoku was just on a train minding his own business, kind of, and Akaza just showed up.
Yeah.
yeah, I'm sure he sent something. I mean,
I think the mystery still does remain about Genya. Genya is the main mystery basically coming from this episode because we think he's a demon, but at the end of the day, he keeps doing these prayers to kind of get back. It seems like the prayer, whatever he's chanting, is kind of recovering him and allowing him to recover, not like just a demon instinct type of thing. So I don't know. I thought he was a demon just off the tooth situation, but now he might just be in a demon cult. I don't know. He might just be a demon worshiper. I don't know what he's doing. My theories. I don't honestly. I just don't know.
So I have a theory. I can't explain the tooth situation though. That's still the anomaly. I think the theory is that this breathing technique stuff, like whoever the very first demon slayer, right? Somebody must have come up with this. Maybe it wasn't the first demon slayer, but someone
that was the sun breathing.
That was the sun breather.
Everything stems from sun.
Everything was derived
in his generation. Like, why did he come up with it? So there's a lot of supernatural stuff going on in this world. There's the sun breathing. There's demon stuff. It's not far-fetched to think that there's something else in the world that could be supernatural.
That's true.
So maybe he's from a family where they just have some sort of like weird techniques or something that's not known. Now the weird thing is like, why hasn't anyone else learned it? But maybe he has special inheritance too.
That's true. I think that's a good prediction. It could be like a passed down family.
Yeah.
I think that's a good theory.
And remember who his brother is too. His brother is a Hasher.
Right.
Don't forget that,
Right. So there's clearly a strong family.
Yeah.
So that's our reaction, our review of Demon Slayer episode 4. A lot of action, a lot of questions. Definitely looking forward to next week. I love it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. Again, we appreciate all the support because we are Chopped Anime.